Hi, welcome to Nifty Bartending. My name's Connor, and today I'm going to chuck together a nice simple drink that we can all make in the comfort of our own home. Today I'm going to make a cocktail for you called the Gin Basil Smash. As the name suggests, 2 out of the 4 ingredients are in the name, which is fantastic. The other 2 ingredients are lemon juice and sugar syrup. So we'll start off with the basil. We're going to take a nice fresh handful. I got this out of the garden, and as basil is so easy to grow, everyone should be able to get some of this at home. Give that a nice crunch in your hand and drop it in. Next ingredient is going to be some fresh lemon juice. Now we want around about 20 odd mil of that. Straight on in. Next ingredient is simple syrup. Simple syrup is also called sugar syrup. It's the bartending equivalent of salt. We add this to sweeten and balance out our cocktails. So, it's a very simple recipe, equal parts sugar and water. Give it a stir for a couple of minutes until the water dissolves. So we're going to add 20 ml of that to our cocktail. Last ingredient is 60 ml, or 2 ounces if you're in America, of our gin. Now I'm using Tanquary because I want a nice aromatic and punchy gin to pair nicely with the basil and really kind of bring the whole drink together. You know, basil's quite a strong flavour and it's quite easy to overpower the gin you're using depending on what gin you use. Give it a nice shake. We want a lot of ice in here. We want to really chill this drink down. Lucky last, we want to give this a really nice firm shake. You want to break up that basil as much as you can and kind of get it all combined. So, we ran into a little issue. I couldn't find a fine strainer for this, and you don't want to be drinking a cocktail and wind up with little bits of basil on your mouth. So I found the inside of a percolator here, and I'm going to just run it straight through that, and hopefully this works. Whew. Sort of. Yes! We have success, guys. All good cocktails deserve a garnish, and on this one here, I'm going to use a couple of little sprigs. Grab it together, hold it like that, and just whack it against the back of your hand. This is going to wake it up, bring out some of that flavour, and drop him straight in. Gin and Basil Smash. Cheers, everybody. Delicious, refreshing, can't knock it. Thank you.